The dog's eggs. A pewit laid 4 eggs. Every day, she sat on the eggs for hours. She left only to feed herself. Many days passed like this. She was waiting for her baby pewits to hatch. One day, she was very hungry. She covered the eggs and went in search of food. But when she returned, what? A dog was lying on the warm eggs. The pewit waited and waited for the dog to leave. Morning turned to noon. Noon turned to evening. But the dog didn't move an inch. The warm eggs made a nice place to rest. Suddenly, one by one, 4 baby pewits hatched. The dog woke up too. He started to walk away. The baby pewits started crying. "Mama, Mama," they called to the dog. The dog was confused. He was not their mother. He was only taking a cozy nap. He needed to get away. The dog ran off as fast as he could. The baby pewits soon got tired. Mother Pewit said, "Those eggs were mine. You are my children." Hooray! The babies ran to their mother. "Mama, Mama, Mama." "My babies, I love you," Mama said.